Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mervis Modelo, your student nurse for today. Today, I will be performing a post-mortem care.
First, verify the physician order and identify the patient. Ensure the correct patient and procedure. Next, I will perform hand hygiene and wear appropriate PPE if indicated to prevent the spread of infection and protect the nurse. Next, provide privacy by closing the curtains or door to maintain the patient's dignity and respect the family's privacy. And next, position the expired patient flat on the bed with the arms at the side. Elevate the head slightly if needed to maintain a natural body position and help prevent facial discoloration.
Then next, close the patient's eye by gently holding the eyelids shut for a few seconds. Gives the patient a peaceful appearance. Close the mouth to maintain the natural shape of the face. The next, remove tubes or catheters and IV lines if ordered by the physician or according to the hospital policy to prepare the body for viewing and transport. Next, clean the body and remove any blood secretion or soiled dressings to promote cleanliness and preserve the patient's dignity. Next, comb the hair and place the patient in a clean gown to make sure the patient is presentable for the family. Then next, cover the body with a clean sheet, exposing only the face if the family will view the patients. Show respect and preserve privacy. The next, apply identification tags according to the hospital policy to ensure correct identification of the body. The next, allow the family to spend time with the patient if they need to support the family's grieving process. The next, place the body in a body bag or wrap it properly according to the hospital policy. Prepares the body for safe transport. The next, transport the body to the morgue with proper documentation to ensure safe and accurate transfer. The next, I will remove my gloves and PPE and perform hand hygiene to prevent contamination after the procedure. Next, document all post-mortem care provided, the patient's belongings, and the time the body was transferred. Provides a complete legal and nursing record. That's all my return registration. Thank you.